Welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add lot batch of materials used for traceability. You will need to add your lot or batch number to your supply order. So for this video, I'm going to add a new supply order, add the supplier and all the materials that you are going to purchase. And you will have the option to add the lot number to each one of your materials. You also need to be sure that the status of the supply order is received so you can keep track of the lot numbers. Once everything is ready to go, click Save and then go to Productions. Add a new production run. I'm going to call this one Lot Number Test and add the products that you are going to make. Click Save, and if you go to the production run details, you are going to be able to add the lot and batch number to each one of the materials. So if you click on each one of them, you're going to see the drop down and all the lot numbers that you have added in your supply orders. Once you added those numbers, your production run is ready to go and you can start the production. And this is how you can add lot batch of materials used for traceability in Inventora.